Yo, my people, but apparently William KR last Mozartepa. Yes, Mozartepa last night won what is this? Grammy award. Like the Fadi Khanzi Zagobuan. Haliti Sepe. Hey. So and then he managed also to record a music video at the same time on stage. Hey, this guy's on a talent. Okay, let's see how did he do that. And apparently Jay-Z was there. He also managed to beat him and other top-ranking rappers.
It's time now for our final award of the night before everyone goes home and gets back in their sweatpants for another few months.
And Trevor was the MC.
The bigger picture, little baby. The Vlogs, Roddy Rich. Laugh Night, Crowd, Drake featuring Lil Durk. Rockstar, Baby featuring Roddy Rich. Tinto, William Last,
And let's go back to Mr. Apollo, Mr. Mitchell, to tell us who the winner is.
When I'm giving up to the editor. Hey, when some this is.
All right, thank you, Trevor. And the Grammy for Best Rap Song, Tinto by William Last.
And just like that, he did.
Congratulations.
Even Jay is sleepy for him. This from Zadarepa.
Thank you so much. It is indeed an honor and pleasure to be here with you guys. I really want to enjoy and celebrate this award with you. But I want to communicate something really important.
I don't know are they loving it.
Serious, I need to communicate something.
Canada gets now to a moon. Some Mutai Tangola, but good job all in all.
I've been telling God everything's gonna be right, yeah. Please don't get so hopeless, lungs, make sure I survive.
I like even the flowers, man. Like the lighting is perfect. Also, this was staged behind the green screen, yes.
Yeah, I've been telling God everything's gonna be right, yeah. Please don't get so hopeless, lungs, make sure I survive. Yeah, we do hell I'm bad. I'm talking stress to a point, you think my phone when people call, don't wanna ask. I hear voices inside of my head. Ke bona mewa MBJ, e batla go raba mathata dingaka e kharakhatsa e kare malwetse. All these people they
You can also see the green screen. Only split, only what they call green screen or green color spill. Yeah, somehow it was used. Chroma key was used. Yes.
When they see me made, I might just slip though. kopa le dates. Batho ba lwala, batho ba lela, batho ba taka, batho ba fela. All because I lit dates. Bona ba ruti dira me tall. Tsena ke reke to the pot. Busa puthe with tsona botoro. Baba lo bela ka di pot. Na ke bua ba mpona bo rock. Ba mpona se tom. Ba re mo tsetse repa gare batho dala we ain't got time for you dog. I'm just hoping I don't flop. Like a flip flop. Never hoping that I fall. What for? Some of you kids they look up to me. They look up to me.
Mtsatsarapa o bohlale blind bafito. Mtsatsarapa o bohlale blind. This guy is crazy.
Calling me names, they're calling me G. Yeah, better keep good. Some of you guys get killed by ego. What the hell kids be humble? That's why your life's too stressful. When you see me in the streets, call me Dito. One side, I'ma do it again. Did it again. I am a man, I'm most all men. I'm heavily sent. Like, I've been telling God everything's gonna be right. Yeah, this gon' get so hopeless. Long as make sure I survive. Yeah, I've been telling God everything's gonna be right. Yeah, this gon' get so hopeless. Long as make sure I survive.
It's funny how everybody believed this was the real thing. He did eventually won the awards, but Nache, for the first time I saw it, I recognized this was staged. Never. Yeah, he could, but they did try their best by editing, but naganete. Everybody was saying congratulations last night when this thing was dropped. So we will see, but thank you guys for watching. This is the different kind of content, but until next time, see you.